Hello. Today I'm here to introduce you to a revolutionary discovery in the world of weight loss, Matcha Slim. This is the result of 2 years of research, promising not only to help with weight loss, but also to bring benefits for health and general well-being. With Matcha Slim, you can lose weight effectively, 24 hours a day. Let's explore together how this drink can transform your weight loss journey. It's crucial to point out that, due to the success of Matcha Slim, unfortunately many people are selling counterfeit versions of the product online. It is important to note that Matcha Slim is sold exclusively on the official website and is not available on other e-commerce sites, such as Amazon and eBay. The link to the official website is in the description of this video. Matcha Slim is an instant drink designed to aid weight loss, offering a convenient and effective solution for those looking to lose weight in a healthy way. This unique product is enriched with matcha, a rich source of theophylline, riboflavin, retinol, chlorophyll, L-theanine, and catechins. These components stimulate beta receptors and accelerate lipolysis, the process of dissolving subcutaneous fat. In addition, matcha is a strong absorbent, cleansing the body of toxins, making it healthier and improving digestion. Scientists have discovered that invigorating the body and burning fat are the main properties of this unique product. With its 24-hour weight loss system, you can now achieve your weight loss goals at any time of the day. In addition, Matcha Slim offers a number of additional health benefits, including better digestion and a healthier, detoxified body. This product is also known to boost metabolism, providing a natural source of energy for your day. It's important to note that results can vary from person to person. The key is to drink Matcha Slim regularly. To prepare Matcha Slim, simply dissolve a teaspoon of powder in 150 milliliters of boiling water, leave to stand for a few minutes and enjoy a delicious and nutritious drink. Compared to other weight loss products on the market, Matcha Slim stands out for its unique formula and natural ingredients. Its effectiveness in burning fat is proven by scientific studies, making it a reliable choice for those looking for real results. Matcha Slim is more than just a weight loss drink. It's a powerful ally in the quest for a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. If you're looking for an effective and convenient way to achieve your weight loss goals, I definitely recommend trying Matcha Slim. With its 24-hour weight loss system, you can now lose weight at any time of the day, making the process easier and more convenient. This is my Matcha Slim review. Remember, buy from the official website, the product link is in the description. Manage your expectations realistically and stay consistent with use. I hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Matcha Slim really does help you to improve your life, and the many other benefits that this product promotes. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience with us. If you still have any questions about it, feel free to leave them in the comments below. For more videos like this, click on the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell to be alerted when we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.